A very warm welcome to Global South Convening on Clean Technology, Minerals and Supply Chains. How do we make sure that that the supply chains for those technologies are as resilient as they can be? There is an opportunity for greater South-South collaboration to come in to address a number of these challenges that currently countries are facing, whether it's around joint investments, whether it's around trade, whether it's around knowledge exchange, or looking at how best we build and design systems for more equitable energy transitions.
10 top mines control 75% of extraction. And in case of cobalt, it is 8 mines in Congo. In the case of lithium, it is 4 major mines in Australia. There is a serious concentration, strong concentration of extraction.
Do we have the minerals that we need if we are producing to add value to? And secondly, do we have the capabilities to develop them, assuming that we have the minerals and we can produce them? Do we have cheap energy? Do we have infrastructure? Do we have regional markets? Even if you have large mineral endowments, you would need your neighbors to be able to build those capabilities at the regional level.
How can the clean energy transition also respect community rights and participation, safeguard the ecosystems that life depends on, and be socially inclusive?
So if we want to earn the title clean or green for our energy transition, we must protect the rights and interests of communities.
The other part is the profit sharing mechanism, which basically distinguishes itself from compensation in a way that it places community as a partner in sharing of profits which are derived from minerals.
Who is going to fund all of this? How are we going to fund all of this? It's a money conversation, which is exactly why we're here. The last year, 2025, that amount actually went down to 155 billion. That's a 40% decline.
So we do see a lot of push from the mining industry on establishing and getting these technologies. But the major roadblock, I would say, is kind of financing.
One of the hardest parts can be taking those great ideas and getting them into the factory and getting them into the mine and getting them into supply chains. How to really nurture a technology ecosystem and really focus on, I think, building trust, because I don't think any one of these entities by themselves is necessarily positioned to move an idea into the market.
But more importantly, we also have what is known as the RDI fund, which is the Research and Development Innovation Fund of the Government of India, which is about a $12 billion fund, which is entirely meant for development of technology from TRL4 to TRL9.
We intend to increase our exploration projects in critical mineral to at least 1,200 projects. We intend to acquire a lot of critical mineral assets, in which, of course, our friends from Africa will play a very important role. Last year in September, the Union Cabinet approved a 1,500 crore rupees incentive scheme to develop recycling capacity for production of critical minerals from end-of-life material streams. So our target was that we should be able to process 270 KTPA capacity. We intended to generate this much of capacity, and we have received a very, very positive response. And so far, 58 entities have been shortlisted for the purpose of recycling, and we expect to create a capacity of over 850 kilotons per annum in the area of recycling of critical minerals.
We know that it still have a good news because the EV in the market in next 5 years or 8 years it will become the new resources. So the most important thing is we have to collect all of the scrap in the countries. However, if we wait until the last volume scale become available, it may be too late.
So this is where we have seen that right policies and right framework is there by the government So entrepreneurs show their willingness, investors show their confidence that yes, this is the industry, this is the time to invest in now.
So I think it makes a lot of sense for us to kind of build these long-term relationships, let it naturally evolve based on upsides of both the parties, and then I think it will evolve into a much stronger partnership where there is value chains building across both the continents as well.
This is just the beginning, and so we'll have another one next year. But in the meantime, we are continuing to work on different reports, different research pieces, whether it's modeling on demand supply, whether it's community benefit agreements, whether it's about recycling and processing technologies.